Hello and good morning, friends. Welcome back to my session of Standard 8 Mathematics NCERT. Now, here in this session, we are going to discuss about pie chart. So, what is pie chart? The pictorial representation of the data. हम लोग तो क्या बोलते थे? Pictograph. Then bar graph, then double bar graph, then histogram. Now we are discussing when the data is presented in a circular form, in a circle, then we say it is a pie chart or a pie graph. Now we will just take an example and learn how we can proceed further for this. Clear? So one example we are taking some data and then we are proceeding further. For example, if you are a salarized person and if you are doing a job, and of your salary what you obtain on the first day, it is planned by you how to divide that salary and do your different expenses. The data given to us that certain amount of your salary you spend on food, certain amount you spend on your children education, certain amount you spend on paying your bills, and some of the amount you are doing सेविंग, गुल्लक में डालते हैं, ठीक है, गुल्लक तो नहीं बट बैंक में सेविंग. सो अ रेशियो और डेटा इज गिवन टू अस एंड विच इज टू बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पाई चार्ट. ओके, सो हाउ वी कैन गिव that given data is given in percentage, and when the given data is in percentage we need to convert into degree. Then and then only we can draw that pie chart as per the ratio given to us in percentage, और उसको different sector wise हम लोग कर सकते हैं. Just pay attention. The question is the example. Example, if I say that food you spend 30% on food, then rent of your house it is also spent by you, that is 25%. Then other expenses it is 35% of your salary, and now saving also is one of the important part of our life, so 10% saving कर दिया. So one circle, complete circle means 360 degree. How much? 360 degree. And this percentage we need to convert into degree. So what is the method to convert this given percentage into degree? So this is a given data to us. So first of all we will try to convert this. So food 30% means 360 degree is equivalent to total 100%. Okay. Now 30% on food, if you have expense 30%, that 30% is out of 100. So 30 is out of 100 and multiplied by 360 degree. There you are going to get in degree. That is, you can get 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0. So 3 multiplied by 36, you are going to get 108 degree. So it will be 108 degree portion or sector for food. Similarly, you can go for rent. So you need to calculate 25% is upon 100 multiplied by 360 degree. So 25 ones are 25 fours are, and by 4 9s are means 90. That means how much? 90 degree. So 90 degree for rent part. Then you have done other expenses. So other expenses is 35%. So 35 is out of 100 multiplied by 360 degree. So 0 0 कट कर सकते हैं. Now here both are possible by 5. 5 sevens are and 5 twos are. So again 2 ones are and 2 18s are, 36. So 7 into 18. So it will be 126 degree. Okay, 18 sevens are 126. And the last one is your saving part. So saving 10% of 360 degree means 0 0 get cancelled. So it will be 36 degree only. So if you make the total of 108, 90 degree, 126 degree and 36 degree, it will be exactly 360 degree, which is equivalent, or इस percentage का भी total करते हैं तो that is 100%. That's why 360 degree is equal to 100%. We think that. Now proceeding further on this, using this data we need to, first of all we write down 126 degree and here 36 degree. So please remember, and we want to proceed further for this, how to draw a pie chart based on this data. Clear? So let me erase it out and proceed further. So here we find a circle. So what is the radius to be taken? So 4 centimeter, you can take it out generally. So if you are asked in the question to draw it in this way, then only. So 4 centimeter radius I have taken, and OA is one of my radius, that is of 4 centimeter. Now I was given food, how much? 108 degree. How much? 108 degree. Then rent, it is 90 degree. Then other expenses, that is 126 degree, and saving part is 36 degree. So first of all 108 degree. So using your protector, you have protector. So using that protector, if you make a presentation, I mean using 0 and 1. So taking from 0 over here and putting a protector in the center O, you will find that starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 90 degree, then 100, 110, 120, something like this. So we need 110 के बाद यहाँ पर तो round about आपको यहाँ पर protector से मिल जाएगा. You will get 108 degree, and this part will be of food. I have given this name radius OB. Clear? Then taking OB radius as 0. So now I will put the protector like this, center 0 here on the radius OB, and then I want 90 degree. So 90 degree will be here, and then I will draw a line passing through it. It will be exactly 90 degree from here. So this is 90 degree, and that is rent part. Okay. Then I want to do for saving also. So I will name these points radius OC. So I will put the protector and 0 on O to C like this, and I want 126. So 120, 125 and 126 point over here, and then just draw a radius B. So this part will be 126 degree. It is other expenses. Concept clear? And the remaining will be obviously, that is saving, and it will be 36 degree. So hope so using this protector you can do the pie chart and draw like this. In your next exercise 5.2, it's totally based on this pie chart. So definitely you will do it by your own. Hope so clear to you. God bless you all. Thank you.